Good evening. For the northern half of the UK, it's been a tale of two halves today. We started off wet and pretty windy, but the rain pushed through at quite a pace, moving out of Northern Ireland and much of Scotland. And then we saw some sunshine coming through, and that had quite an effect on the temperature because we've still got the southwesterly flow driving the milder air right across the country. So with the sunshine and a little more shelter in parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland today, we saw highs of 16 Celsius. It's just the autumn that keeps on giving, isn't it? Now, as we go through the night tonight, though, we could see a return to some patchy light drizzle from a weak weather front pushing into the extreme northwest. A little more cloud elsewhere. We could, with some lighter winds, see some patchy mist and fog. That could be a nuisance first thing. Another mild night, though, generally around 8 to 12 degrees. We could see a pocket of clearer skies and low single figures for the far northeast of England. But it will be a murky start, but a quiet start. Under the influence of this high pressure into the near continent, that's going to prevent this weather front from making any significant progress across the UK. So it will bring some showery outbreaks of rain into the far northwest. The mist and fog may well lift to low cloud and it could be a grey morning. But we're fairly optimistic that that should thin and break and allow for some sunshine to come through. And if that happens, then temperatures will respond. So it's going to be another mild day. Now, if you keep the cloud, those temperatures could be a little bit subdued. But generally speaking, England, central and southern areas could see highs of 16 degrees. That's 61 Fahrenheit. That weather front pushes through, but weak affair really as it bumps into the high pressure. Nothing to worry about by then. And then we'll start to see a change in wind direction, a subtle change to begin with, but it will bring a change to our weather as we go into the weekend. So Friday, we could see a little more in the way of mist and fog, lifting to low cloud and slightly disappointing affair. The best of the sunshine further north, highest values though still of around 11 to 15 degrees. But the winds will really start to push in from an easterly direction as we go into the weekend. That is going to make it feel a little bit cooler than we've seen of late. There'll still be plenty of dry, sunny weather to look out for, but a noticeable difference in the feel of the weather. And certainly worth bearing in mind that we could see a return to some overnight frost. Take care.